In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve remote computer require network level authentication NLA. So to fix and resolve this error, you can try this method. Open file Explorer. Now here, right click on this PC, then Properties. Now here click on Advanced System Settings. Now here click on Remote. And once you click on Remote, here you will see the option Allow Remote Connections to this computer. So just guys, you have to unselect this option. Allow connections only from computer running remote desktop with network level authentication, and make sure. So just guys, you have to uncheck this box, then click on apply and OK. So this way you can fix and resolve this error. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.